Good morning students, let us continue from where we have stopped the previous video and let us work out the very few examples that are left in the textbook. Resolve x power 4 plus 24 x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube. So this is x power 2 whole cube. So this will be x power 6. Here x power 4. So the degree of the numerator is 4 and the degree of denominator is 6. So degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. And the denominator contains repeated irreducible quadratic factor. This x square plus 1 has got no real roots. Therefore, and moreover, b square minus 4ac gives us less than 0. B square is 0 square minus 4ac minus 1. So this is minus 4 less than 0. So this quadratic factor is a irreducible quadratic factor. For every non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c of the denominator g of x, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. For every ax square plus bx plus c non-reducible non-repeated linear factor of the denominator, there corresponds to a partial fraction of this form. So let us apply this. So here this is a repeated linear factor, repeated irreducible quadratic factor. So ax plus b by x square plus 1 cx plus b by x square plus 1 whole square ex plus f by x square plus 1 whole cube. So this is the type 4 non-repeated repeated irreducible quadratic factor. So this is equals to x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube is equals to, the LCM is x square plus 1 whole cube. So x square plus 1 whole cube by x square plus 1 is x square plus 1 whole square into this ax plus b into x square plus 1 whole square plus x square plus 1 whole cube by x square plus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 into this. So cx plus b into x square plus 1 plus ex plus f into x square plus 1 whole cube by x square plus 1 whole cube gets cancelled. This is what we are left with. These two on both the sides gets cancelled. So we get x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 is equals to ax plus b into x square plus 1 whole square plus cx plus d into x square plus 1 plus ex plus f. Now let us compare the coefficients on both the sides. Comparing coefficients of x square x power 4 on both sides. So here x power 4 quotient is 1 is equals to, this if you expand, x power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square into ax plus b. So ax into x power 4 is ax power 5, ax into 1 ax into 2x square 2ax cube. So b into x power 4 is bx power 4. So x power 4 quotient here is b. Instead of this, we won't be getting any x power 4 coefficient in this term. So, and here cx into x square, cx cube, cx into 1. So this is the only term for coefficient of x power 4 we get. Therefore, b is equals to 1. Now, comparing coefficients of x power 5 on both sides. So we don't have any x power 5 term here, therefore the quotient of x power 5 is 0. So here ax plus b into x power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square. So ax into x power 4 is ax power 5. X power 5 quotient is a, and we do not get any x power 5 coefficient here. So therefore a is equals to 0. Now comparing coefficient of x cube on both sides. We don't have any x cube here, therefore its quotient is 0. Here ax into 1 ax into 2x square, so 2ax cube. X cube quotient is 2a plus this is b into x power 4, b into 1, b into 2x square. Cx into x square is cx cube. So x cube quotient is c. From this, c is equals to 0 because 2a is 2 into 0, 0, c is equals to 0. Now, comparing coefficients of x square on both sides. X square coefficient in the LHS is 24. This is equals to ax into 1. So here bx power 4, b into 1. So b into 2x square is 2bx square. X square quotient is 2b plus cx into x square, cx cube, cx into 1, cx, d into x square, dx square. X square quotient is d. So from this, 24 is equals to, substitute b equals to 1 here. So 2 ones are 2 plus d. So therefore, d is equals to 24 minus 2 is 22. Now, comparing the coefficient of x on both sides. So we don't have any x term here, so therefore 0 in the LHS. So here ax into 1, ax, so x quotient is a. Instead of that, we do not get any coefficient of x here. So here cx into x square, cx cube, cx into 1 is cx, x quotient is c, plus ex, x quotient is e, a plus c plus e we get. So this implies 0 is equals to a value is 0, c value is also 0, plus e value is, we did not get it. So from this e value is also 0 we get. Now comparing constant on both sides. So here the constant in the LHS is 28 is equals to, so here b into 1 is b. This is the only constant here. So b plus d into 1 d plus f. So 28 is equals to, the value of b is 1 plus the value of d is 22 plus the value of f, which is to be found. So 22 plus 1 is 23, 28 minus 23. So from this f is equals to 5. 28 minus 23. Therefore, x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube is equals to ax plus b. So the value of a is equals to 0, x. So 0, b value is 1. So 1 by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d. C value is 0, 0 into x, 0x plus d value is 22 by x square plus 1 whole square plus ex plus f. E is 0, 0 into x, 0x plus f value is 5. So 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. So these are the partial fractions for the given proper fraction. Resolve x plus 3 by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square into partial fractions. So here the denominator contains repeated linear factor and non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor. This is the repeated linear factor type 2, non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor type 3. So this is the combination of type 2 and type 3. So x plus 3 is equal by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square is equals to. So for every repeated linear factor ax plus b of the denominator g of x, there corresponds to partial fractions of the form a1 by ax plus b plus a2 by ax plus b whole square, etc. But instead of a1, a2, we will be using ab. So this is equals to a by 1 minus x, because this 1 minus x is of the form ax plus b minus 1x plus 1. So that is why a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus x whole square plus this is the non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor. For every non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c of the denominator g of x, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. Here 1 plus x square is of this form, because this 1 plus x square can be written as x square. So 1x square plus 0x plus 1. So this can be compared with this. Since a, b are already used, so cx plus d by 1 plus x square. Here a, b, c and d are to be evaluated. So take the LCM here, which is 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square. So this by 1 minus x, 1 minus x whole square by 1 minus x cancelled for once. So 1 minus x into 1 plus x square into a. So a into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square plus b into this by this. These two gets cancelled. B into 1 plus x square plus this by this. These two gets cancelled. Cx plus d into 1 minus x whole square. Cx plus d into 1 minus x whole square. This is equals to x plus 3 by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square. So the denominator on both the sides gets cancelled. X plus 3 is equals to a into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square plus d into 1 plus x square plus cx plus d into 1 minus x whole square. Here 1 minus x is the factor, x equals to 1 is the root, and root has to satisfy the equation. Put x is equals to 1. Substitute x equals to 1 in this equation. 1 plus 3 is 4. On substituting 1 here, 1 minus 1 0. 0 into something is 0. So b into 1 plus 1 square 2. 1 plus x square is 1 square. 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 2. So 1 minus x is 1. If you substitute here, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 square is 0 into this is 0. So 2 times. From this, b is equals to 2. Now comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So here we don't have any x square term in LHS, therefore its quotient is 0. So this is a into 1 into 1 plus x square is 1 plus x square minus x into 1 x minus into plus minus x into x square is x cube plus b into 1 plus x square plus cx plus d into this is 1 plus x square minus 2x on expansion. So this is a into 1 plus x square minus x cube plus b into 1 plus x square plus cx into 1 cx into x square cx cube cx into minus 2x is minus 2 c x square plus d into 1 d plus d into x square dx square minus 2 dx. So this is what we get. So a also if you multiply, a into 1 is a into x square ax square. So this is a plus ax square minus ax cube. Now we are comparing the quotient of x square on both sides. Here x square quotient is a here. X square quotient is a here. So b into 1 b into x square bx square. X square quotient is b. So this is x cube. X square quotient is minus 2c. X square quotient is d. So from this 0 is equals to a, b value is 2 minus 2c plus d. Let us suppose that this is the first equation. Likewise, comparing the coefficient of x cube on both sides. So we don't have any x cube term in LHS, its quotient is 0. Here x cube quotient is minus a plus. Here x cube quotient is c. So, and we don't get any x cube quotient because these two are the only x cube quotients in the equation. So, this is the second equation. Now comparing the coefficients of x on both sides. Here the quotient of x in the LHS is 1 is equals to, here the quotient of x is minus a in the RHS plus b into 1 b bx square, x quotient is c here plus this is x cube x square constant x square, x quotient here is minus 2d. This is minus 2d. Now comparing constants on both sides, then we will get 3 is the constant in the LHS. Here the constant is a plus b into 1 is b plus the constant here is d. So from this, substituting b equals to 1, let us suppose that this is the third equation and this is the fourth equation. B is equals to 1, will get 3 is equals to a plus the value of b is 2 plus d. So this is 3 minus 2 is 1 is equals to a plus d, fifth equation. So totally these are the 5 equations we got. Now if you see carefully here, this is minus a plus c is 0. Here minus a plus c is again repeated. So from 2 and 3. So here 1 is equals to, third equation gives rise to 1 is equals to this minus a plus c value is 0 minus 2d. From this d is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now substituting d in the fifth equation, 1 is equals to a, d value is minus 1 by 2. So a is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now substituting a in the second equation, we'll get 0 is equals to minus a plus c. From this c is equals to a. So c is equals to 3 by 2. We have taken this to be a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus x whole square plus 1 plus x square. So here the value of a is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 1 minus x is 3 by 2 into 1 minus x plus b value is 2. 2 by 1 minus x whole square plus cx plus d. C value is 3 by 2. D value is minus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus x square. So this can be written as 2 LCM if I take. So this is 3x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. This is 1 plus x square. This is 3x minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. So these are the partial fractions for the given proper fraction. Resolve x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So first of all, this is a improper fraction because what is the improper fraction? Degree of numerator is greater than or equals to degree of the denominator. So how do we deal this? This is degree of f of x is equals to degree of g of x. Both the degrees are same because here the degree of the numerator is 3 and the degree of denominator is 2x into x into x, 2x cube. So x has the highest power 3 both on numerator as well as denominator. So this is equals to k plus r of x by g of x. So where k is the coefficient of the coefficient of the highest degree terms of f of x and g of x. So x cube has the coefficient 1 by here 2x into x into x, so 2x cube. So x cube has the coefficient 2, so that is this k plus. Now this is r of x by g of x. So how do we treat this in the proper fraction? So the denominator contains 3 non-repeated linear factors. For every non-repeated linear factor there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by ax plus b. Here a by 2x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. So this is how we will split the partial fraction for this improper fraction. Actually, if you divide this by this is what we are getting. So, but this is the indirect process and easy way. Now let us do this. This is equals to, the LCM is 2 into 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3. This is equals to this by 2 is 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus this by this. So 2x minus 1 gets cancelled. 2 into a 2a into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus so y 2 into 2x minus 1 plus into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Now plus x plus 2 gets cancelled. So 2 into b 2b into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus x minus 3 gets cancelled. So 2 into c into this 2. So 2c 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this is equals to x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So these two gets cancelled. So be careful that here 2 is not cancelled. So this 2 on cross multiplying will get 2x cube. Most of the students forget this 2 and actually they will cancel this and this and actually they will forget this 2 and proceed, which will give the wrong answer. Now this is equals to 2x cube is equals to 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2b into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus 2c into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now x plus 2, x minus 3, 2x minus 1 are the three linear factors. So x equals to minus 2, x equals to 3 and x equals to 1 by 2 we are substituting for this. Put x is equals to 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube is 1 by 8 is equals to, so the first term will be cancelled because this is 2 into x value is 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 to cancel, 1 minus 1, 0 into something, this is 0 plus 2a into x plus 2, 1 by 2 plus 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. This is 1 by 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2, 3 is a 6 by 2. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 is 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 1 by 2 minus 3 is 1 minus 6 by 2 minus 5 by 2 and the remaining are cancelled because 2 into 1 by 2. So here 2 into 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So will be 0. So 2 4s are 8. So 1 by 4 is equals to 2 2 gets cancelled. 5 5s are minus 25 by 2. 5 5s are minus 25 by 2. So 2 times. So into a. So therefore A is equals to minus 1 by 50. Put X is equals to minus 2. Substitute. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 into 2 minus 16 is equals to, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and the last term will get cancelled. We are left with this term. So 2b into 2x minus 1, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 into, this is minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. This is equals to this 2 8 times, minus minus gets cancelled, 8 is equals to minus 5 5 is 25b. So 8 is equals to 5 5 is minus 25b. From this b is equals to minus 8 by 25. Now put x is equals to, put x is equals to 3. Substitute. 3 cube is 27, 27 2s are 54. The first term gets cancelled, this is will be 0, this will be 0, and we are left with the last term 2c into 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is equals to 27 times. From this c is equals to 5 5 is 25. So 27 by 25. Therefore x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 plus the value of a is minus 1 by 50 by 2x minus 1. So this is minus 1 by 50 into 2x minus 1 plus the value of b is minus 8 by 25. So minus 8 by 25 by x plus 2 is into x plus 2 plus the value of c is 27 by 25 by x minus 3. 27 by 25 into x minus 3. These are the partial fraction for the improper fraction that is given to us. Resolve x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is again an improper fraction with the degree of numerator is 4 and the degree of denominator is 2. So degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. The last problem we have done, the degree of f of x and degree of g of x are equal. Here degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. So we need to divide this x power 4 with the help of the denominator. So let us do that. X square minus 1x minus 2x. So minus 3x minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So x power 4 you have to divide. X power 4 by x square is x square. So x square into x square, x power 4 plus into minus minus x square into 3x is 3x cube. So plus into plus plus x square into 2 is 2x square. So subtract, will get these two gets cancelled. So this is 3x cube minus 2x square. So further division is possible or not? Of course it is possible, because we will stop this process when we get the degree of the remainder is less than that of the degree of divisor. But here this degree is raising with compared to the degree of divisor. So further 3x cube by x square. So cancel for once. So 3x. With 3x we need to multiply. 3x into x square, 3x cube. Plus into minus is minus. 3x into 3x is 9x square. Plus into plus plus. 3x into 2 is 6x. So minus plus minus, these two gets cancelled. 9x square minus 2x square is 7x square minus 6x. So further division is possible because compare the degree of remainder and the degree of divisor, then both have the degree 2. So now further division is possible. 7x square by x square is 7. So 7 into x square, 7x square, plus into minus minus, 7 3s are 21x, plus into plus plus, 7 2s are 14. So 7x square gets cancelled, subtracting. So this will be plus 21x minus 6x is 15x. This is 14. This is the remainder. And you check now. The degree of remainder is 1 while degree of divisor is 2. So this process will end up when the denominator, the remainder will be 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Now this is equals to, according to the division algorithm, cube of x square plus 3x plus 7 plus remainder is 15x minus 14 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So this is what we get. Now this is not a fraction, therefore you put it aside and let us take this proper fraction. Consider 15x plus 14 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So the denominator contains two non-repeated linear factors. For every non-repeated linear factor ax plus b of g of x, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by ax plus b. Here a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Here a, b values are to be evaluated. So this is equals to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is equals to 15x plus 14 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So these two gets cancelled on both the sides. So this is minus 14 we get at the end. So 15x minus 14 is equals to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Put x is equals to 1. We'll get 15. 1s are 15 minus 14 is 1. So a into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So a is equals to minus 1. Put x is equals to 2. Substitute 15 2s are 60 minus 14 is 16. 15 2s are 30. 30 minus 14 is 16 is equals to a into x value is 2 minus 2 it is 0. B into 2 minus 1 so 1. So B is equals to 16. Therefore x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to, this will be as usual, x square plus 3x plus 7 plus 15x by 14 is equals to this. And what is the value of a? Minus 1. So minus 1 by x minus 1 plus the value of b is 16. 16 by x minus 2 is the partial fraction for the given improper fraction. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 in power of x satisfying the interval in which the expansion is valid. This is the power series expansion problems. So first of all, we need to find the partial fractions for this. 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1. The partial fractions for this is the denominator contains two non-repeated linear factors. So a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. So this is equals to x minus 2 into x plus 1. So a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 gets cancelled on both the sides. We'll get 3x is equals to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Now x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the two factors. X equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2 are the two values that we are going to substitute for x in the equation. Put x is equals to minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 on substituting here will be 0. B into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So from this b is equals to minus 3 by minus 3 is 1. Likewise put x is equals to 2 if we substitute, then 3 2s are 6 is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3, 3a. So a is equals to 2. Therefore 3x by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to, the value of a is 2 by x minus 2 plus the value of b is 1 by x plus 1. So this can be written as minus 2 by minus 2 plus x. This is 1 by 1 plus x, because we want to convert this in 1 minus x or 1 plus x. So for this I want a constant first. So 2 by minus 2 if you take common, then 1 minus x by 2. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 gets cancelled x. So this is 1 by 1 plus x. This is equals to 2 gets cancelled. So minus 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. This is 1 by x, 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. This is 1 plus x whole power minus 1. This is equals to, this is minus. Now you expand. What is 1 minus x whole power minus 1? 1 plus x square plus x cube plus etc. plus the general term is x power k. And what is 1 plus x whole power minus 1? 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus etc. minus 1 whole power k into x power k plus and so on. So likewise here 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square, because in the place of x here x by 2 we have. So wherever you have x here, you simply have to substitute x by 2 whole square, x by 2 whole cube and so on. X by 2 whole cube plus etc. plus nth term is x by 2 whole power n plus and so on. Plus this is, here minus will be alternating. So this 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus etc. minus plus x power 4 minus and so on minus 1 whole power n into x power n plus and so on. So coefficient of x power 4 is, here further x by 2 whole power 4 will get here etc. And the x power 4 quotient is here. This is x power 4 by 2 power 4 with minus is there. So therefore x power 4 quotient is minus 1 by 2 power 4. Minus 1 by 2 power 4 plus here the x power 4 quotient is 1 into this. So this is plus 1. So 1 by 2 power 4 is 16 plus 1. 16 ones are 16 minus 1 by 16. This is equals to 15 by 16 is the answer. Find the coefficient of x power n in the power series expansion of x by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2, specifying the region in which the expansion is valid. So this is the last example from the textbook. So first of all, let us consider this. X by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. So the denominator contains repeated linear factor and non-repeated linear factor. Type 2 and type 1. This is the mixed combination of type 1 and type 2. So this is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. So the LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. So x minus 1 whole square by x minus 1 is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into a. So this is a into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into this by this, these two gets cancelled, x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. This is equals to x by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. These two gets cancelled. So x is equals to a into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Put x is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. So we are left with this term. So b into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So from this b is equals to minus 1. Likewise, put x is equals to 2. Substitute 2 is equals to this and this will be 0. C into 2 minus 1 whole square. So 1 square. C is equals to 2. Likewise, comparing the coefficients. Comparing coefficients of x square on both sides. So here we don't have any x square term, therefore its quotient is 0. So on expanding this, we'll get x square term here. So x square coefficient is a. So here x square minus 2x plus 1 on expansion. So x square quotient is c. So a plus c equals to 0. From this, a is equals to minus 2. So these are the three terms that we get. Therefore, x by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equals to, the value of a is minus 2 by x minus 1 plus value of b is minus 1. So this is minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c is equals to 2 by x minus 2. This is equals to, this is minus 2 by x minus 1 can be written as minus of 1 minus x. X minus 1, because I want the constant term and that too 1 we want here. So this is how we'll write, minus of 1 by, instead of x minus 1 whole square, can we write it as 1 minus x whole square? Because a minus b whole square is equals to b minus a whole square, because we want 1 here. This is plus 2 by x minus 2. So this can be written as minus 2 plus x. Take minus 2 in common, then 1 minus x by 2. So this is minus 2 into 1 minus x by 2. 2 gets cancelled here. So we'll get 2 gets minus gets cancelled. So this is 2 by 1 minus x. Otherwise this is 2 into 1 minus x whole power minus 1. This is 1 minus x whole power minus 2 plus by minus, so minus. This is 1 minus x by 2 whole power minus 1. So this is 2 into 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is 1 plus x square plus etc. We want the x power, quotient of x power n. The general term is x power k. So the quotient, the nth term is x power n plus and so on. Minus, this is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus etc. plus this is n plus 1 into x power k, x power n plus and so on. Minus, this is 1 plus x, this is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 type. So in the place of x, substitute x by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 whole square plus etc. plus x by 2 whole power n plus etc. So these are what we have got as an expansions. Now the coefficient of x power n is, so this is 2 into x power n. So x power n quotient is 2 here plus, so here x power n quotient is n plus 1 into minus. So minus of n plus 1 minus. So this is x power n by 2 power n with minus here. So x power n quotient is minus 1 by 2 power n. So this is the quotient of x power n in the given proper fraction.